Okay, lastly we had talked about this part. So here I skipped one part, that was the wall. So it says above 250 millimeter, meaning almost 10 inches, except basement wall. So what would happen if there were a basement wall? Then you should follow the water tank specification, just similar like the water tank specification right over here. So whichever part is whichever side is in touch with soil or water, that part should be given a clear cover of 3 inches minimum, 2.5 inches, or if it's hard to construct, then go for 3 inches. Okay, so 3 inches minimum. Okay, so not minimum, sorry, not minimum, 3 inches. Okay, 3 inches. There's no minimum or maximum. There's just that. Okay, so above basement wall and below basement or at the basement level, there is obviously the basement wall is going to be touching some soil. There's going to be some soil pressure on that wall. Okay, all right. So yeah, that was it. Thank you very much for watching.